Feeling lost in the world of credit cards? Let's unlock the secrets to using your Halifax credit card like a pro in just 90 seconds. First things first, let's talk credit limits. This is the maximum amount you can spend, so keep a close eye on it to avoid overspending and potential fees. Download the Halifax Mobile Banking app. It's your best friend for tracking your spending, checking your balance, and making payments on the go. Next up, interest rates, or APR. This is the cost of borrowing money if you don't pay your balance in full each month. Aim to pay off your balance every month to avoid these charges. If you can't pay the full balance, make at least the minimum payment by the due date to avoid late fees and negative impacts on your credit score. Now, let's maximize those rewards. Check what your Halifax card offers, like cashback, travel points, or discounts. Use your card for eligible purchases and redeem those rewards to save money. For example, if your card offers cashback on groceries, use it every time you shop. It's like getting free money for purchases you were already going to make. Remember to keep your card safe and secure. Never share your PIN or card details, and only use your card on secure websites. Finally, create a budget. Knowing where your money goes will help you manage your credit card spending and avoid debt. For more detailed information and support, visit the official Halifax website or contact their customer service. They're there to help you.